In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change and display your category label on Instagram. Now, if you find this useful, do consider subscribing to this channel and also give me a like. Without further ado, let's jump straight to my phone and let me show you how you can do it. Alright, first of all, open up your Instagram app, click on bottom right, which is yourself, go to your profile and you can see on top here, digital creator. Alright, what you want to change it, instead of digital creator, you want to change to other things. So it's very easy. All you have to do is just click on edit profile, scroll down, you can see category here, click on the category, and then there's many categories like community, educator, digital creator, entrepreneur. I just put myself as a digital creator because I'm a digital creator. And you want display on profile or don't want. If you don't want, you can just turn it off. Right? I just show you when you turn it off. Alright, and then you can see it is not there anymore, but I want to turn it on, so I just turn back on again. Category, turn back on. So there's many different categories. You can even type as you want. Alright, right, there's many things here that's as well that's not written here. You can search if you want to. Okay, but for me, I'm just happy with digital creator. So yeah, so that's how you can change and display category label on Instagram. If you like what I share, do like this video and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.